ballerina spin any way that you want. If you focus on this ballerina on the left, all 3 ballerinas will start spinning towards the left. But now if we focus on the ballerina on the right, all 3 ballerinas will start spinning towards the right. Try this out and see if it works for you. That was just one of the really cool and unique optical illusions I'm gonna show you in the video. But make sure you watch the video until the end to see a trick where I'll make you forget everything. Like the video and subscribe in the next 5 seconds or this spider will be in your bed tonight. When we put these 2 emojis together, they make up a word. Can you figure out what word it makes? Comment what the answer is as well. Alright, so the first emoji is butter and the second emoji is a fly, so together this makes the word butterfly. Right now we have the word change on your screen, but if you squint your eyes, this word will actually change into a completely different word. So try squinting your eyes and let me know in the comments what the word changes into. Alright, so if you squinted your eyes, the word change should have changed into the words your life. Only 1% of people watching can pass this challenge and pause the video at the perfect time so that the chicken lands in its outline. I bet you won't be able to do this. One of these vegetables is real and the other one is made out of cake. Can you tell me which is the one made out of cake? Let me know in the comments if you think it's the corn or the potato. I'll then reveal the answer. Alright, so the one that was made out of cake was actually the corn. Are you able to spot the difference in this picture here? Only people with the best eyesight will be able to solve this, so comment what the difference is if you spot it. Alright, so the difference was actually with this gold button missing on Mario's clothes. If you found this, I'm very impressed. This is a really cool optical illusion because we can make this cat walk faster with just our mind. All you have to do is keep blinking over and over again really fast and this cat will then start to walk faster. Try it out for yourself. This picture here has tricked millions of people because no one has been able to figure out how many legs this dinosaur has. Some people see from 4 all the way up to 12 legs on this dinosaur. I want you to count them for yourself and then comment how many you think there are. Maybe one of you guys will finally be able to solve this. I've hidden a secret message in this photo here. If you can't see it right now, try shaking your head and it might be a bit easier to see. If you do see the secret message, comment below what it says. Alright, so the secret message was actually the words hide and seek. So right now this circle is completely still, but there's actually a way that we can make it move. Just keep blinking over and over again really fast and this circle will slowly start to spin. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. So right now we have a bunch of dogs with spots on them, but there's only one dog that has no spots on it. Are you able to find it in the next 5 seconds? Alright, so the dog with no spots was right here. If you found it, I'm very impressed. Read the message on your screen right now. Alright, so did you say, I bet you read this wrong? If that's what you said, I just tricked you because if you look closely, it actually says, I bet you read this wrong. Be honest, were you tricked by this? This right here is one of the best optical illusions ever. So right now we see one of the pink dots disappearing, but I want you to stare at the black plus sign in the middle of your screen. Do not blink and do not move your eyes. If you do this, all of the pink dots will disappear and a green dot will appear. Try this out for yourself. Are you able to solve this really hard puzzle and tell me which color balloon this kid is holding? Comment below which color you think it is as well. Alright, so this kid was actually holding the red balloon. If you got this correct, I'm very impressed. We can actually make this tower spin any direction we want with just our mind. Focus on the top of the tower here and it will start spinning towards the left. But now focus on the bottom of the tower here and it will start spinning towards the right. Try and see if you can change the direction it's spinning. This secret message here is impossible to read and only 2% of people watching the video will be able to understand it. If you can somehow read this, comment what it says. I'm gonna heart all of the comments who read this correctly. Are you able to find the 4 circles in this picture here? So 3 of them are obvious, but let's see if you can find the 4th one. Comment where the 4th one is if you find it. Alright, so the 4th circle is actually right here with the exclamation mark. If you found this, it means you're a genius. This right here is really interesting because no one has been able to figure out which way this horse is walking. 95% of people see the horse walking forwards, but only 5% of people see the horse walking backwards. Let me know in the comments which way you see the horse walking and then we'll compare answers with each other. Are you able to follow the green ball? Only 2% of people will be able to pass this challenge, so let's see if you can do it. Do you still know where the ball is? This is getting hard. Alright, the green ball was this one right here. Did you pass or fail? There's actually a way that we can make this lion appear in your room. First, all I need you to do is stare at the red dot on the lion's nose for the next 15 seconds. Alright, now look up at your roof and keep blinking over and over again. You should be seeing this lion in your room. Next, let's get into the part of the video that we've all been waiting for where I will make you forget everything. Basically, all you need to do is stare at the middle of your screen for the next 30 seconds while I play the illusion. Afterwards, you'll forget everything. Alright, now look around at your hands and they should look like they're moving and you should forget everything for the next few seconds.